You'll find that as you apply different fill and stroke colors and patterns, that you might stumble across a certain style or look that you really are happy with, that you'd like to save for a later time, and maybe even create a library of common styles for working with different objects and shapes. Illustrator provides a way that you can save these as graphical styles, and you can access these styles from the Graphical Styles panel, which you can open from the Window panel using Window Graphical Styles. This is the dialog box where these styles are located, and each style is indicated by just a simple little thumbnail. To apply a style to an existing object, all you have to do is drag the style and drop it on a specific shape, and the style is instantly applied. Different styles can be applied to different objects, and you can apply styles over the top of existing styles. To create your own styles, you can change different stroke settings, and once you're happy with the look that you have, you can go to the Styles panel with the object selected and click on the New Graphic Styles button here at the bottom. The style for the current selected object is instantly added to the Graphic Styles panel. If you don't like a style, you can get rid of it by dragging it here to the trash can. You can also open and look through libraries of graphic styles. You can find these in the Windows menu, or you can click on this button here in the lower left corner of the Graphic Styles panel. Once selected, the style library will open in its own panel. You can then use the arrows at the bottom to move back and forth between the available libraries. Once you find a style that you like, simply drag it and drop it on objects in your scene to apply them. If you have a bunch of styles that you've created that you want to save to a library, you can click on the button here in the lower left corner and select the Save Graphical Styles. This will open a dialog box where you can name the graphic styles as a library. Once saved, the libraries will appear here in the User Defined menu for the Graphical Styles panel. You can also use the Other Library option to open and look at additional libraries that are available and saved on the disk. Styles are a great way to save the hard work that you have established and to reuse them on future designs.